Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Angel Velez, and I want to take you through this beautiful little property, little but powerful, with beautiful, gorgeous finishes, not far off from the ocean, close to Williamsburg. It's just absolutely a new remodeled property from scratch. We are going to have an open house on the 17th of February from 12 to 3 p.m. So let me just give you a little preview of this property. And the great thing about this property, it qualifies for a grant. And we'll talk a little bit about that after I show you the property. But just as you see from the outside, brand new siding on this property, brand new windows. This property was remodeled from scratch. So a lot of beautiful finishes in this property. 140 Williams Lane here in Suffolk, Virginia. So let me take you inside. But as you can see right here, just the beauty of it, the beautiful outdoors, just absolutely gorgeous porch that you see right here. You could just sit out here and relax on your porch, just enjoy the day, the beautiful weather. When you do come out here, folks, I'm gonna bring you inside the property. Open concept. And now it's a little bit below 1,000 square feet, real close to 1,000 square feet. But there's so much space in here, you won't even realize that the property itself is that small, because it's just so well done. As you can see, some of the finishes in this property, everything in this property was done from scratch. So you see the drywall is brand new, the flooring is brand new, and look at this absolute gorgeous kitchen, as well as a little island right here. And the colors that were selected for this property just make the property, everything just stand out. And the lighting in this house is just pretty amazing. Beautiful granite all across the room, all across the kitchen right here. And you've got yourself granite countertops all around here. And the cabinets, the beautiful gray cabinets, and your stainless steel appliances. Not only that, you get a little refrigerator. So if you're looking to put some of your small beverages anywhere, there's a little refrigerator that comes along with it. And your little dining area right here. This is just romance. It's just shouts at you, romance. So it is a 2-bedroom home. If you're looking for 3 bedrooms, obviously they may not be good for you, but it's worth a look to take a peek at it. But look at the master bedroom right here, the primary bedroom with its full bath. Look how much space you got here. You got a big primary room, as well as a walk-in closet right there. You've got plenty of space for all of your clothes. So the space is there, folks. But I want you to be really adored with this beautiful bathroom over here. Just take a look at the bathroom with your master bedroom. And everything was done from scratch here. So you can see it's got your tub as well as shower combination, along with your dual vanities right there. Just a lot of lighting throughout. This bright, beautiful space. And as we move on to the second bedroom, you're gonna find that your second bedroom's got plenty of space, and as well as a walk-in closet in here. So you got your walk-in closet in this property as well, in this room right here. So there's plenty of space right here. And if you're a lone ranger, and you got yourself an office. So if you're looking for just a 1-bedroom where you can have a space for office space, this could be it. Or you got your second bedroom right here. So this just is absolutely gorgeous. The same thing with the floors throughout. And of course, you've got your second bath here. It's a full bath with the stand-up shower. And this is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, just look at the designs. Just look at the work of art that was done throughout. It's just a beautiful room. I want to finish it off by bringing you back to this space over here, because I just think that this electric fireplace, this really beautiful, colorful fireplace, this just brings out the rest of the beauty of the house. And then you can see it's just the space here is just comfortable and cozy. And the last part I want to show you is the laundry room. And the laundry room right here, also the washer and dryer do convey, but look how big the laundry room is. And it's got its own little private spot, little private area right off of the living room. So it gives you enough space, so if you're not going to be bothered by the time when you're washing clothes out there. When we talked a little bit about a grant that is offered. Now there may be several lenders, because we're out here in Suffolk County, maybe some lenders that will work with you for grants, but I know that there is George Mason Mortgage Company is offering what's called a Discovering Home Grant. And so you may want to check them out. The information is on that flyer, but check out other lenders. There may be other lenders that are providing some money for that. We only have this property listed for $219,900. You will not find anything less that value of a home, just new. because everything in this property is brand new. It's got a new HVAC, a new roof, the siding, the windows, everything. And including, you don't even have to buy your appliances. So folks, come on out on Saturday, the 17th of February from 12 to 3 p.m. to join us and take a look at this property. You will love it. Thank you.